Today I'm going to be doing a review and tutorial on the brand Tower 28 Beauty. If you have or haven't heard of it before, it has become one of my favorite makeup brands. I feel like it's the perfect mix of like skincare, natural beauty, but you can throw some glam in there. It's just I just love the brand and everything they come out with I end up loving and makes your skin look phenomenal and gives you that elevated natural makeup look that just enhances your natural features, which I feel like is a look we all want. So I wanted to create this video doing a tutorial and talking about all of these products that I have and use them to create this look. The products that I'm going to be using are the cream bronzer, which just makes your skin look like you have a natural glow. I love cream bronzers. Their MakeWaves mascara, which is my probably, if not one or if not my favorite mascara. I have used it to the last drop. It is such a gorgeous mascara. It's got this texture to it like a wax, but in a good way, no flaking, and you can pull your mascara so it gives you that like cat eye kind of look, and I love that. Serum concealer that they just came out with is my favorite concealer right now. Makes your skin look flawless. You don't see it on the skin. Hooked on it. And there's a lot of product in here. It'll last forever. And then these JuiceBalms are the lip products that I have, which I'm wearing right now, and they are so hydrating and give you that natural kind of pop of color. Keep watching to see how I created this look today. I have done my skincare and applied a tinted moisturizer, that Summer Fridays skin tint that I love. Did my eyebrows, and now I'm going to go in with the Tower Beauty concealer and contour, which I both love. So what I like to first do is my contour. So I love using a cream contour. That's basically all I use. And this is the Sculptino in Getty for the shade. And I'm just using this Rare Beauty foundation brush. Kind of buff it right next to my hairline, kind of where the sun would naturally hit my face. Buff that inwards or outwards, just so obviously it's a smooth transition and looks natural, like actual tan. I might even put a little bit on my hairline here, and then along the cheekbones. So it's kind of like a press stipple, is that the right word? Just press and blend. It's not even really like a swirling motion, it's more just light pressure with dabbing, so it just diffuses that color in. And I always do my cheekbones. I kind of go right on where the cheekbone presses out, maybe the teeniest little bit under, but then I buff kind of upwards so that it's kind of obviously not right below where a hollow would be, but it's where it would hit your cheekbone naturally. I've applied the bronzer to my face and I added a little bit to my nose. I like to just use my finger to kind of go along the bridge of my nose, the sides, create like a little button. And then I'm going to do concealer. So you can see how easy to apply this bronzer is. Natural looking, beautiful, makes your skin glowy. This concealer is the concealer I'm always grabbing lately. It is already one of my favorites. It's their Serum concealer. I have two shades, K-Town and LBC. Today I'm going to use K-Town. LBC is just a little darker or more yellow. Kind of depends. They both look good on kind of my skin tone. It just depends what I'm going for. This is a little closer to my skin tone with makeup, but I'm going to go with this today just to add a little brightness to my skin, I think, to the areas that I want some brightness. So I like to go this eye area. It's kind of different on everyone depending. Some people have different kind of discolorations or brightness that they want. Along here, the tip of my nose. I always do the sides of my nose because it kind of narrows it in. My chin just to get away from some redness, and a little on my forehead to brighten. And then I always do a little on my eyelids just to help with discoloration there. And that's all I kind of need. So then I kind of have started to go blend this big fluffy brush. This is the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Wand Ball Powder brush. So I like to use a brush like this because it really softens that concealer and makes it blend into your skin so you honestly cannot see it, and it softens the lines of that contour so that just looks like it's just naturally blending into your skin. And then I'm going to go and set this so that it stays in place and do some of the rest of my makeup, and then I'll come back and finish up with my mascara, which is a Tower Beauty product, and lip products. Done all of that. I just went for a really light eye. I put a creamy pink shimmer eyeshadow stick and then some brown liner. I kind of have that natural looking, and I'm gonna have a really gorgeous lip too. So I'm gonna use my Shiseido lash curler. It's my favorite lash curler before I go in with the Tower Beauty mascara. I like to just give a really light little press right at the lash line. It kind of makes your lashes just go like this. As opposed to a curl, which like a curl is cute, but sometimes can make your lashes look shorter, and I definitely want that length. This is the MakeWaves mascara. It's honestly probably, if not the best mascara on the market. I'm on my last drops. There's probably even shouldn't still be using it, but I am trying to get every last drop out of this. So what I kind of do, go in and coat my lashes one time to get color on them. And I go in and I like to shape them. I like to drag them out kind of like this to elongate the eye and kind of give you that cat eye look. So it's a really nice mascara that's flexible and kind of waxy enough for you to do that, which a lot aren't. So it gives you a nice pull and it doesn't get clumpy. Beautiful. It's just my absolute favorite. You can see what it does to the lashes. It's actually wild. Okay, and my makeup is almost done. I just have to complete my lip. So I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna use this MAC Spice lip liner because I want to do like a little bit of a cherry cola lip. This MAC lip liner in Spice. I like this because it's a pencil, so it has a bit of dryness and drag to it, which I want on the lip. And then if you've ever watched me do my lip liner, I like to fill in the corners. And then the last products I have are from Tower Beauty, JuiceBalm tinted lip balms. I think I'm gonna go in with this one in Drink to kind of have that cherry cola lip. And I did a lighter eye so that I could have a little more impact. So I love these. They're just kind of like a juicy tinted lip balm, butter, and easy to reapply, natural, glowy looking. I love how they look on the lips. The other colors in the JuiceBalm, that one's Drink. They have a kind of nude one called Mix, gorgeous color. Pinky one called Shake, kind of a light pinky color. And then this one is like a orangey color in Squeeze. I really like this one too. Like that one's really fun. Kind of corally color. This is my final look using the Tower 28 beauty products that I have. I absolutely love this makeup brand, so I really wanted to share a tutorial with you and a review of some of their products and why I love their products, how I like to use them if you're looking at this brand. So don't forget to like this video down below and follow me here at hall_ward on YouTube. I post every single week. Don't forget to head over to Instagram at hall_ward and follow me over there as well. You have a wonderful week and I'll see you next time.